My name is Elizabeth Marquez Hawkins. I'm a therapist here at Monarch Counseling and Wellness. I want to talk a little bit about substance use. Now, I know that this is still a taboo subject. I know that there's still a stigma around substance use. People are afraid of talking about it or scared of what people might think, especially if you're living with one. I think it's important to talk about. I think that is one of the only ways that we can get the stigma away from it. I know that if you're living with a substance use issue, that it could be scary when you are ready to go talk to somebody about it and worried that they might judge you or look down on you and just not knowing what their thoughts are. I know that that was the case for me. I struggled with alcoholism on and off for 11 years. It started when I was a teenager and carried on into my mid-20s. When I finally hit my bottom, I was willing to go talk to a therapist. He helped me and showed me that it was just a coping skill of the things that happened to me. He molded me and helped me grow into a therapist who treats people with substance use disorders. My approach to working with somebody with substance use disorders is to let them know that they're not alone, to let them know that I'm not going to judge them, and know that the substance use, the alcoholism, whatever you're addicted to, didn't always start off as the problem. It was the symptom of something else, whether it be trauma or depression, anxiety, grief and loss, anything. It slowly morphed into the problem, and now we're stuck with learning how to live a life without it. My way to treat substance use is through a way of understanding. I like to use motivational interviewing to figure out, what do you want to do? What do you want your life to look like without your substance? I also really enjoy DBT, of helping us get into that wise mind and learn more adaptive coping skills. And I also like to use EMDR. It's a theory and a technique that really grasps our trauma and our maladaptiveness and helps us dig through the roots of who we are as a person. If you're wanting to talk more about substance use disorders, whether it be you're living with somebody who is living with one, or you yourself are living with one, or you just have questions of if it's an issue or not, please call me. Thank you.